What if I told you one of the most powerful AI models available right now can be used completely free, and almost nobody is talking about the easiest ways to get access? In the next few minutes, I'll show you 2 working methods to start using GLM 5.2 without paying a cent, and I'll walk you through every step so you don't get stuck. If discovering free AI tools before everyone else is your thing, you'll probably enjoy what's coming next on this channel too. But don't skip ahead. The second method unlocks a feature that most people completely miss, and it's probably the one you'll end up using the most. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Now, before you start wondering why we're on Cloudflare, here's the key thing to understand. GLM 5.2 isn't hosted inside Cloudflare. Instead, Cloudflare gives us access to an AI infrastructure that lets us connect to powerful language models, including GLM 5.2. Once we configure a few settings, you'll be able to start using the model without paying for anything. So let's set everything up step by step. Search for GLM 5.2. You'll see Z.ai in the results. Click on Z.ai, then sign up using your email, preferably your Google account. Here's what's interesting. Most people are still using the same AI tools every single day. Meanwhile, this one is quietly becoming a serious competitor, and most people haven't even noticed yet. This free AI is catching people completely off guard. We're now on the Z.ai dashboard. At the top, you'll see GLM 5.1 selected by default. Switch it to GLM 5.2, because this is where things start getting interesting. Let's put it to the test by creating a game. I'll paste a prompt to build this amazing game using this free AI model. But before that, first click on Agent. So, I'm going to paste this prompt to create a coin collector game, which is an interactive web application built using pure CSS. This arcade-style game is simple yet surprisingly engaging. Players carefully control the mouse pointer to collect coins while avoiding walls. Now watch this. If you see this pop-up saying, currently in peak hours, GLM 5.2 is intensifying the coordination of resources. Switch to GLM 5 Turbo for a better experience or try again later, don't worry. This catches a lot of people the first time. I'll simply switch to the Turbo version and continue the process because the steps are exactly the same. And within a few minutes, it starts writing the code. We're using GLM 5 here because I originally tested GLM 5.2 with a much more advanced game that pushed the model a little harder in the free version. So for this demo, Turbo gives us the same workflow without waiting. But we are not here for the Turbo instead. This is how I turn the Turbo into GLM 5.2. Now here's the result. Our game is complete, and we can actually play it. It's smooth, responsive, and very interactive. The ball collects the coins perfectly, and after touching the wall 3 times, the game ends with a game over screen. And the best part? We can download the complete HTML source code of the game with a single click. But let's take it one step further. This time, I'll test it with a much simpler game prompt. I'll create a fully functional, highly polished retro brick breaker arcade game inside a single HTML block. As soon as I paste the prompt, the model immediately starts generating both the HTML code and the game itself. Just a few minutes later, we have a fully functional brick breaker game. Now this is where the tutorial gets even better. This next step is much more powerful because it lets you build far more advanced projects completely free. And let's be honest, nobody wants to keep copying code from a browser into a code editor every single time. I know you'd rather have your AI working directly inside your editor. Let me show you the simple way to do that. I'll be using VS Code, so if you don't already have it installed on your PC, go ahead and install it. This next setup only takes a few minutes, but it'll save you a lot more time later. The next step is where we use Cloudflare to generate an API token for their GLM 5.2 model, which comes with a free daily testing tier. Inside your Cloudflare dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Workers AI. You might also want to click on Reset API if don't skip this next part. Copy your unique account ID. Then, right above it, create a Workers API token. Give your token a name, click Create API Token, then copy the token and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it later, and if you close the page before copying it, you may not be able to view the token again. Now we want to connect this free model to our VS Code editor, but first we need to download OpenCode, which is also completely free. Open a new tab and search for opencode.ai. Download the version for your operating system and install it. Before you continue, there's one small detail that most people miss. Under Open Source AI Coding Agent, you'll see commands for curl, npm, and a few others. You'll need to run the correct command based on your operating system. Use curl for Linux, npm for Windows, and brew for macOS. Since I'm using Windows, I'll copy the npm command. Next, open Command Prompt if you're on Windows, or Terminal if you're using macOS or Linux. We're basically installing OpenCode so it can work together with GLM 5.2. Paste the command into your command prompt or terminal and press Enter. Once the installation is complete, type OpenCode to make sure everything is working. As you can see, mine is working perfectly. Now let's connect everything. To connect to the GLM 5.2 model through Cloudflare, type Connect. Then select Connect Provider. From the drop-down list, scroll down until you find Cloudflare Workers AI. You'll be asked to paste your Cloudflare account ID and your API token. Copy both from your Cloudflare dashboard and paste them into the required fields. And just like that, we now have access to all the available Cloudflare models, and right at the top is GLM 5.2. Select it, keep the default settings, and our advanced GLM 5.2 model is ready to use. Let me quickly test it with a simple prompt. Now let me open VS Code and connect OpenCode with our GLM model. Inside VS Code, click on Extensions and search for OpenCode. Install the first extension you see, which is the SST extension. After the installation is complete, open it through the terminal. You can find Terminal at the top of the menu bar. And that's it. This is how you use GLM 5.2 directly inside VS Code completely free. You can now build premium, advanced projects right inside your editor using Cloudflare's GLM 5.2 model without paying anything. The only limitation is that Cloudflare gives you a daily token allowance. But honestly, for most people, it's more than enough for learning, building, testing, and working on real projects every day. And that's everything you need to start using GLM 5.2 completely free inside VS Code. Before you leave, here are 2 quick tips that will save you a lot of frustration. First, avoid sending multiple large prompts back to back. If you're building something complex, break it into smaller tasks. You'll get more consistent results and make better use of your daily token allowance. Second, if you ever notice slower responses or temporary limits during peak hours, don't keep retrying the same request over and over. Simply switch to GLM 5.1 for the moment, or come back a little later. The workflow stays exactly the same, and you'll avoid wasting your available requests. If this video helped you discover something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more free AI tools, coding resources, VPS tutorials, and practical tech guides. I test these platforms myself before making a video, so you get methods that are actually worth trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.